Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
I'm a dreamer, I believe I'm going under in the time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to hurt, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me from it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being so alone. I'm going under in this time. I feel there's no one to turn to. This all and nothing way of loving, go be sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to hurt, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Good morning to you guys. Let me know in the chat. Give me some fives in the chat. Fives in the chat if we got good on sound on YouTube and on Zoom. Everybody can hear me all right. Let me know. We got fives coming. Excellent. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Let's see. What up, George? Amy, Carl, Jazzy J, Christine. What's up, Juliet? What up, Blue? Paula? What's up, Paul? Adrian? More people in the waiting room. What up, Che? All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We have news first. Let's check news first. All right, so we had 8:30 news. Looks like the market came up, hit 2 of our daily targets through overnight between the news and just overnight price action. So we're in alignment for buys at the moment. What up, Jimmy P? What up, Juan? What up, Adrian? What up, Arnie? So in alignment for buys. Let's see where we're going next. Yeah, we took out yesterday's low and then pretty much bullishly pushed off from there. I'm just going to put the one right above. Actually, here's one right here. All right, boom. And there's an imbalance right there too, right above it. So 20,199 if we stay on the buy side here. 20,199. Let me just look at the 1 minute because we have been retracing ever since we hit that daily target at 125. Yeah, we should be good to go there. Okay, perfect. All right, so we got a minute before we open up. We've already had an impulse, so we're potentially in the pullback here. And we do have more news, but it's the yellow folder at 10 o'clock. So let's see if we can get in and get up out of here. Everything's looking pretty good structurally. We're pulling back right now. This is the 20,100 level. 20,050 hasn't been touched yet after being closed above 20,000. Let's see, how low can we go? All right, so 20,050 would be the lowest that we would want to see it go, or we're going to be in a stalemate on the one. So market just opened up. What up? What up, Lars? Good morning. All right, market is open. So we're waiting the first 3 minutes. Anybody maybe brand new watching, we wait the first 3 minutes of the market. Watch delivery, check the price. What's up, Trish? What up, Nicole? Minute 24. Looks like we're bouncing off of the 75 mark here. 20,075. Cool. So we're above 20,100 at the moment. Got a minute to go. If we close above 20,100, we're looking to buy off of 20,100. just had a bullish engulfing candle on the 1 minute. 5 minutes trying to be bullish engulfing as well. 45 seconds to go. We're above 100 right now. Look at the buy off of it if we close above it. Yeah. We retraced to the 236 on this, so this could be a decent hold to that extension level right at that daily target if we can get this to give us a 100 entry. I might do that. If we can get in here at 100, I might try to hold this. We got 10 seconds left. We're above 100 right now. Kind of rejecting. 3, 2, 1. All right, we closed above, so I'm looking for it to pull back. I'm looking for a buy at 100. Looking for a buy at 100. I'm just gonna market execution because, okay, I think I got time now. All right, looking for a buy at 100, so I'm gonna put in my buy limit now. Looking for a buy at 100. Looking for a buy at 100, almost there. What's up, Bob? All right, I'm in at 100. If this goes well, I'm gonna look to try to target this all the way up to that daily target at 199. You don't need to come back down to 75. You don't need to do that. Yeah, do that. Keep going that. Oop. Still in. But it's testing it. All right, I got taken out on that one. We get down to 20,050, I'll be in there for sure. Another deeper retracement here. Well, actually, let me just check the 1 minute again. Yeah, 20,050 is the last, probably last resort there for buys off the 1 minute. I'll also, if we close below this 3 minute, which we just did, if we close back above 100, I'll take my second shot there. We just bearish engulfing. We retested. There's an imbalance here. Retested this daily target and bearish engulfing off of it. So buyers are, sellers are definitely trying to step in here. But I'm open. I'm gonna play this 20,050. I already got it set up for a buy limit there for my second shot. All right, I'm in there at the 50. Let's see if the buyers can step in here. Come on, J4, hold us up there. These sellers might be in here pretty strong. I need a lot more of that. I'm gonna watch this on the 1 minute. Oh, we just lost the one. I'm gonna hold on to it though. We just lost the one from a trend oh, we might lose the one from a trend perspective. I'll hold on to this trade though. It's the second shot, the last shot if it doesn't work out. So I'll just hold on to it. Let's see what happens here. We're in a nice range for a pullback. We're back in. Actually, we held on to the one on that candle, so we're still in alignment fully on all 3 time frames. We just need the buyers to step in. Step in. Step in. We're close to break. Never mind. Come on now. Push through there. There we go. All right. Let's get that risk off the table on this opportunity. I'm still going to... I'm feeling like I still want to trail this. You guys decide. I know we lost 25 points on that first one. Obviously, if we get up here, when we get up here to the 20,100, you'll be net positive on the day for 25 points. But I kind of got a feeling. So I'm definitely going to lock in 25 points here at the 50. And I'm moving my TP up a little bit. And we'll see what happens. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and just lock 10 in to minimize the loss for the day so far. So I have 10 points locked in. So worst case scenario, I'm down 15 today. We're about to hit 50. There's TP. So if you took TP, let me know. You should be positive 25 points today. I'm holding this a little longer. I'm keeping my TP at 25 at the moment. I'm sorry. I'm keeping my SAL at 10 points at the moment. Steph has a feeling too, so I think we're good to go. We do have some work to work through here, but I just got a feeling. I just got a feeling. 1 minute needs to continue getting stronger. I'll feel even better if we can close above his HDH area right here. That's a good close, closing above 100. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now watching this. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now watching this. We're doing decent so far. If you didn't hold, is that bad? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I tell you. There's nothing wrong with taking your profits. Because guess what? 50 comes a lot faster. 50 points comes a lot faster than... What am I trying to hold for here? Comes a lot faster than 150. So, and I might get taken out. We'll see. We really need to stay above this level, Steph, if this is going to work. We need to stay above right here if this is going to work out. Like the lowest this should go is there. Or just don't come back to any of that and just keep going. That works too. We closed above. We're looking good. That's fine. It's fine. I mean, we're still in alignment, and if you want to take another entry, we literally just closed back above 100, so you can get in at 100 if you want. If on the retest, once it retest, we just closed above 100. We're in alignment, so you can definitely get back in here. Right there, there it is. You can get right in on that if you want to. Oh, you're done. Okay, cool. We got to stay above this. Oh, you mean you got in? Got it. We got to stay above this area. This is the area right here. Nice little imbalance touch on the 1 minute. Yeah, I like this. Come on, violate that bearish engulfing candle. Get back above 100. Yes, sir. Oh, is it? Okay, I'll come up and change it in a second. That was a good candle. We need another one of those. Blast through this 125 area. Get you guys that got back in at 100 to break even. I still just have 10 points locked in on the 50 entry. Once we get above here, I'll lock in 25. Once you guys get to break even, I'll lock in 25 points. Looking good though. It's taking a sweet time because the 1 minute is kind of weak. A lot of wicks up there. I don't like that candle. We should be done with this area. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Just came back for one more little look. One more little look. I think that 100, yeah, that 100 entry just took you guys out. And it might be coming for me at 60. I'm still in this bad boy with 10 points locked in. Working its way back through the previous high from yesterday. Yeah, it's trying. Taking its sweet time. Yeah, it's gonna take me out at 10 points. And I am still in, and all right, I'm out. I'm out with 10 points on that one from the 50 area. And it's probably gonna go into a stalemate now. It's it hesitated quite a bit to really get above this level. It might go lower low here and probably reach down. What is this? This is the 830 candle. It might be going towards the 830 candle. So let's sit back and wait. I got 10 on that one, so I'm down 15 right now. If we get into a stalemate, it's not gonna be nothing for us to do for a while. We're still holding on to the one at the moment though. Let me see how much time we got left on this 3-minute stick. That 50 entry wasn't valid for a re-entry anyway. For a re-entry there. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It's kind of supporting heavy at the 50. It looks like it wants to fall through, but right now we're in the box. Right now we're in the box. We have people doing different things on that one just because of the way the entries kind of flowed. So let me know where you guys are for the day. I'm minus 15 because I was trying to hold that second one. I'm assuming you guys should probably be break even, maybe. Plus 22. Okay, minus 15. Minus 47. How is that? If you lost the first one, got the second one, that should have been plus 25, and then you just lost the second one, the third one. Now you should be even. How are you minus 47 there, Trish? You should be break even. Plus 25, plus 10. All right, there's more positives than I thought. The second one was a win. Yeah, so you should be, if you lost the first one, that's minus 25. You won the second one, that's plus 50. So you should be plus 25, and then you lost the third one. You should be break even. Minus 47. Just minus 47 means you lost 2 in a row. It is trying to hold on here. Oh, minus $47. Sorry, got it. All right, we were talking points. Makes more sense now. Yeah, so you'll break even. Got it. What up, Tabitha? Juan got the news candle. Nice. The 8:30 news candle. We're holding on here. I mean, we have not. I feel like now we're doing a what's this thing called? I feel like I'm starting to see a wedge. If this goes higher high, I'm starting to see a wedge type of action here. A flag type of thing. That's what I was looking for. Oh, here we go. Never mind. Sellers coming in. We're in the bottom of the hour now. Might see that fall through. Little after 8:40. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I always like to say, back to your original comment, Trish, about trailing or not trailing. I always like to say in the beginning, I know this is your day 2, so in the beginning, just take your TPs. You know, trailing is not necessarily risky, but, you know, take the sure thing. It's there. Take it. And then just, like, kind of watch and learn about, like, trailing and stuff like that. And because, you know, It's like trying to hit a home run every time you get up to bat. You're not going to do it. It's not going to happen. The days you don't trail, it goes. The days you do trail, it doesn't go. So, you know. When you don't trail and you lock out, then it runs 7,000 points. But when you do trail, you get plus 10. So, we're in a stalemate now. Oh, no, we're not. Actually, we're not. 5 seconds. All right, we're in a stalemate now. In 1 minute, might be flipping the red here. So, yeah. Let me know if there's any questions. We're in a stalemate. I don't know. I really don't think we're actually going to sail. I mean, we might, but I don't know. It seems like the 3 minute, 5 minute are still pretty heavy. So it could just be consolidated around. In order for us to really get back in alignment, we have to get all the way up here, which is pretty much close to our next daily target here. So this could just be some pullbacks. We'll see what the structure does here. We're pushing right back up there. Didn't lose the volume. We only lost the trend by about 2 points. So we'll see what happens. Be patient on it. But let me know if there's any questions. Tap to 50. Yeah, it did. Oh, I didn't even notice that. You're right. It did tap to 50. It's same 50 for me on you. We probably flipped it from the same spot. 8 o'clock low to 9/11. This is just, I feel like this, I still have the same feeling. I think this thing is just going to end up buying up here. The only thing that I would feel better about that if it at least maybe came down here and swept that, maybe. So, but right now it's just very bullish off of the 50%, the 25 level. If this goes higher high, the only thing that really is going to stop this from going is going to be, again, oh, that actually already got tapped into, so it's probably going to blow right past that. We'll see. This is technically a impulse to the downside, so getting above there would be the start. Ken, I'm just seeing your message. You saying that on the 936 candle, it actually went into a stalemate, so you were already in a stalemate on the one? And you too, Steph? And are you guys on the MNQ chart or the NQ chart? Either way, like in that particular position, I would have held on. We held on to it because we took it when it was in alignment, and we just held on to it through it. So nothing would have changed that for me. But you're on MNQ. Yeah, I don't know. No, there has not been an update to answer your question. No, has not been an update to the indicator. All right, Katie needs me. I'll be right back.
Falling fast, now my mind is freezing, but I can show that I can go ahead without you in my feelings. No, 'cause I thought you were the light that was breaking through my eyes, but I miss what you had inside. That feels you can deny. 'Cause I thought you were the light. 'Cause I thought you were the light that was breaking through my eyes. 'Cause I thought you were the light.
All right, it is 10:01. We have some yellow folder news now. See if we can get out of this box that we're in and go pick a direction. We're barely, I would say barely from both perspectives in an alignment for sales, but yeah, price is just kind of stuck right now. Looking at next week, we will be live every day except for Wednesday. We'll be live every day except for Wednesday. Wednesday, we have afternoon FOMC stuff. Yeah, me too, Steph. Yeah, I still like the buys too. I know y'all are gonna rebel this. I know some of y'all are gonna buy this. I know 2 of y'all are gonna buy this. Back above 100 here. Back in a stalemate on the 1. Now she's taking off. We'll see. Yeah, to get back in alignment, we got to get above 166 on the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we do that. She's taking off right now, though. Back messing around with this daily target that was already taken. It pushes. I have fib extension 20,262. I have the similar 56 for me, but yeah, pretty much same area. Yeah, so basically we have the we will have the space, we'll have the room. I don't know if it never retested 100 anyway, but looks like we might put in a higher high here. All right. Looks like we're getting some push up here. We got to get above 166 to be back in alignment on the 1. We haven't retested 100 yet on the 3. We just closed back above it. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. All right, Caden's calling me again. Give me 1 second.
It's what my heart needed. You stayed with me in the moments I felt most alone, until I didn't feel defeated. Without you, I would not be me. Without you, I'd never feel complete. It's the way I know you'd stay with me night and day. It's a lifetime of loving you. No fear when I look into your eyes. You're the hero I dreamed of. More than a daydream, now I can feel you close to me. You're the only one that I love. And I know that I'm home when you're next to me. And I know that you and I were meant to be. Without you, I could not be me. Without you, I'd never feel complete. It's the way I know you'd stay with me night and day. It's a lifetime of loving you. It's the way I know you'd stay with me night and day. It's a
All right. Oh, we're closer. We are a little bit closer. A little bit closer here. Done for the week. Paula B. You know what? You're amazing. Guys, give some sevens in the chat for Paula B. One day you'll have to hear about her comeback story here. But those of you guys been around, you know. We all have our breakthrough moment, and Paula B is in her breakthrough moment right now. Paula B is in her breakthrough moment right now. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. And she is doing it. Oh snap! I just saw your message. I literally was gonna ask if you did this. Very nice. Tell them to give me a month and see where I'm at. I mean, you'll be there. Oh, you're talking about, okay, I see it now. I feel like you just being here, you're already doing it. Just follow the damn instructions. FTDI. You'll be fine. Get out of your way. We are always our biggest problem. Nice. Yeah, I was just checking the group. They're going crazy right now. We are always our biggest problem. The person, the man or woman in the mirror is always the biggest problem. Get out of your own way. It's like we just closed above 150. We're super close to getting this all the way back in alignment here. At 100 entry is still open. Our 199 is the next daily target. From an extension perspective, we're looking at 260. So we got plenty of room if the market wants to give another smooth leg to the upside. We've kind of been slow and choppy here. We should be right there. Yep, we're right there. 15 seconds. Who's already in at 150? Ken, Steph, you guys are already in, I'm assuming. Blue, I'm surprised you didn't say that you were in from like 67. Why do I even bother to ask? Just to make sure. All right, we're fully in alignment for buys here. We've already closed and retested above the 150 area, so doubt that one comes back. We'll see if we can get that to come back. That'd be nice. But oh, thank you. I literally just put my I literally just turned my sound off on my phone. All right, I'm in. I rebelled in and got in at 125. The wick structure was solid. 125, nice. Oh, that was a good entry, yeah. That was also the high of our resistance. You know, we had this imbalance area here. You had the HGH sitting there. You had the previous daily target sitting there. You had the 125 area sitting there. More than likely, you had the 1 minute J4. Nope, 1 minute J4 wasn't there, but yeah, that was a good entry. Yeah, it was a lot of confluence there. I would love if we can get a sneak back to 150 here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in for the buy limit. We might not get that. We might not get that, but I'm gonna set it up just in case. Set it up just in case. Just in case she wants to be nice. Oh, 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 we're getting close. Come on down here. Come on. Come on. I just saw your Me Too comment, Ken. Nice. Cool Almighty. Is that you, Blue, on YouTube? Cool Almighty? No? Oh. I don't know who Cool Almighty is, but they're in as well. Come on. Come on. Come on. And I am in. All right. Word. You gonna do us like that? Yep. Yep. You're gonna do us like that. All right. Oh, you coming to 100? This will put me over my points if I take this 100 entry. Oh, that's your homie? Oh, that's what's up. It's okay. All right, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna let it be. I'm down 40 points. I'm just let it be. I don't want to feel like I'm forcing myself into it. It's a solid entry. I'm down 40, but I'll take it. So it's a really solid entry. I feel like if I sit here, I'm gonna talk myself into it. But I don't know how I really feel about I don't know how I feel about taking that, and if it lost, how I feel about that. So I'd rather not put myself in that position. Matter of fact, this is what I'm gonna do. Just because I'm gonna take it on my practice account, just so I can say, just so I can feel what it would have done. Practice account trade at 20,100. Other than that, I'm done for the day, done for the week. It's been a pretty good week. You too, Juliet. Have a good weekend. Minus 40, minus 40. Nice. Done for the day. Yes, should be. That's your homie. Good. Leave a like on the YouTube on the way out. We're going to be signing off here. We will be live again all next week, except for Wednesday. What's the weather on Wednesday? I have not. Can you guys believe it? I have not golfed yet this season. Can you believe that? What's the weather next Wednesday? I think next Wednesday is going to be the first day. 68. We're live all day, all week except for Wednesday. Wednesday, I'm gonna be on the golf course. I mean, I was rooting for them, but it is what it is. It's okay that they lost. I'm not really a Michigander. I'm from Chicago, so. But it was a good series. It was a good series. He's got the little toy clubs or whatever, but I don't really know. We'll see. He might be a little bit of a late riser into different sports. He's really into just more performing arts stuff right now, like music and movies, and so we haven't gone out. We've been out once. He was still in our arms for the most part. So, but yeah, he has a set of clubs, some toy clubs or whatever. We'll go out in the back and swing around a little bit, but yeah. Yep. Looks like we got wicked out here. The lowest that this went was so far. Drawdown was I was from up here though. Sorry. Drawdown was about 40 points. Looks like we got wicked out on that one. That was from you guys. This 125 entry. I still think this market is going up, but it shouldn't be this hard, you know? Those of you guys that may be brand new or whatever, like, you'll see. Our markets are not this difficult. When we're right, it's fast. We're done. It's in and out. When we got to sit here and pepper it and all that type of stuff, it's just not for us. It's going to be a late bloomer if it's going to go. But anyway, no trades for Tabitha. Cool. Have a good weekend, you too. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. If there's anything you need from me between now and then, feel free to hit me up on Telegram. You are welcome, for sure. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Have fun. Plus 25 today. Nice. Way to come out positive. Should be a positive week. I have to look. You're welcome, George. Absolutely. All right, family. Y'all have a good weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out for now.
Feels like the best day